Can I see? Okay, Gen. Okay. Okay. It just the top part is just the glass is broken, so LCD is good. Will be just $50.
50?
Yeah.
How long?
Let me check if I have the power right now. Will be done by 5.
5 o'clock?
Yeah.
Should
Okay.
I leave you my info?
Yes, sir. You're off today?
No, I'm actually still at work. I'm on break.
Okay.
Yeah, I work like 10 minutes down the road.
That's good. Be good for
I
you.
get off at 7, but what time do you close?
8.
8, alright.
Okay.
So, I could just stop after work.
Sounds good.
Thank
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
Likewise.
Alright guys, so today we're gonna use the digitizer of iPad 9th gen. So it should be good. Let's see. Your iPad is ready.
Thank you, bro.
Check it out, everything we're good.
Yes, sir. Appreciate
Right.
you.
Cash card.
I'm gonna do card.
Right.
Okay.
Which one has 25 Ultra?
Yeah, 25. Not today, but like,
You just need cleaning too. Give me 1 second, okay? All right, boss.
bring you clients because I got
Appreciate
I got
it.
people on my job.
Broken
phone.
phone.
Refinery, so we're in the scaffold. The phone just.
Always, bro. Always.
I appreciate y'all.
All right.
Have a good
You have
one.
a good one.
Thank you.